Delicious chicken and veg brunch sandwiches are made with crispy toasted bread layered with sheredded chicken, fresh salad, and a touch of sweet chili sauce. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a quick snack. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 500 grams of boneless chicken. Add a small piece of cinnamon and boil the chicken in water until it is fully cooked and tender. Roughly cut the iceberg lettuce into small pieces. Wash the carrot and grate it. Put it in a bowl, squeeze the lemon. Add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, mix it well, and place it in the refrigerator. Use a masher to shred the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder to the shredded chicken. Add spread cheese or cream cheese. You can also add cream. Then add sweet chili sauce or any sauce of your choice and mix well. Toast the bread slices on a grill pan until they turn crispy and brown. Spread a layer of chicken mixture on 1 bread slice. Place another slice on top and press gently. Spread a layer of salad on the second slice, then place a third slice on top and press gently with your hands. Finally, cut the sandwich into triangle shapes as desired. Delicious chicken and veg sandwiches are ready to serve. Thanks for watching.